Portable charger with display, is it worth it? Title: Portable charger with display, is it worth it? Introduction. In today's digital age, our dependency on electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches has become unprecedented. With the increasing reliance on these gadgets, the need for a reliable and efficient power source has become crucial. This is where portable chargers come in, offering the convenience of on-the-go charging. In recent years, a new trend has emerged: portable chargers with displays. But the question arises, is a portable charger with a display truly worth it? In this article, we will delve into the various factors surrounding this innovative device and evaluate whether it is indeed a worthwhile investment. Understanding portable chargers. Portable chargers, also known as power banks, have rapidly gained popularity due to their ability to charge devices without the need for a wall socket. These devices store electrical energy and rechargeable batteries and deliver it to our devices whenever and wherever needed. As technology continues to advance, so do portable chargers, offering different features to enhance user experience. Exploring the display advantage. Traditional portable chargers usually consist of basic LED lights indicating the battery level. However, the emergence of portable chargers with built-in displays has created an opportunity for users to have detailed, real-time information about their charging device. This feature provides a host of benefits that make the investment worthwhile. 1. Accurate battery level monitoring. One of the primary advantages of a portable charger with a display is the ability to monitor the battery level accurately. Unlike the traditional LED lights, which offer only a rough estimation of remaining power, a display shows the exact battery percentage. This information is invaluable, especially during long trips or when you need to plan your device usage wisely. 2. Multiple device charging capability. Many portable chargers with displays offer multiple USB ports, enabling users to charge several devices simultaneously. The display shows the charging status of each port, ensuring an organized and efficient charging experience. This feature proves particularly useful for individuals who own multiple devices or travel with companions. 3. Charging time estimation. Another valuable feature of portable chargers with displays is the ability to estimate the time required for fully charging your device. The display provides an estimated charging time, based on the device's battery capacity and the charger's output. This information empowers users to plan their charging sessions effectively, preventing any surprises or delays. 4. Voltage and current output information. Alongside the battery level, many portable charger displays show voltage and current output information. This allows users to ensure that their devices receive the appropriate amount of power without risking overcharging or damaging their gadgets. By providing real-time data on the output levels, users can make adjustments and optimize the charging process. Evaluating the investment. While portable chargers with displays offer numerous advantages, it is important to evaluate whether the investment is worth it for every individual. Consider the following factors. 1. Individual usage patterns. For frequent travelers or individuals who heavily rely on their devices throughout the day, a portable charger with a display is a valuable investment. The accurate battery level monitoring, estimated charging time, and multi-device capability will greatly enhance the charging experience. 2. Occasional users. If you only use portable chargers occasionally or in emergency situations, investing in a portable charger with a display may not be necessary. Traditional LED lights indicating the battery level might suffice for your needs. 3. Budget constraints. Portable chargers with displays often come at a slightly higher price point compared to their basic counterparts. If budget constraints are a concern, a traditional power bank without a display might be a more viable option. Furthermore, it is worth noting that portable chargers with displays also offer the advantage of a sleek and modern design. The addition of a display not only enhances functionality but also adds an aesthetic appeal to the device. This can be particularly appealing to individuals who appreciate stylish and innovative technology. Another factor to consider when evaluating the worth of a portable charger with a display is the overall durability and build quality. While basic power banks can be prone to wear and tear, portable chargers with displays often come with additional protective features such as sturdy casings or shock absorption technology. These added measures ensure that the charger can withstand the rigors of everyday use and remain in good condition for an extended period. It is also essential to emphasize the convenience factor offered by portable chargers with displays. The ability to view real-time charging information makes it easier to keep track of the device's power level and plan your usage accordingly. Whether you are on a long journey or attending a busy event, having this information readily available can help alleviate any anxiety about running out of battery. Additionally, some portable chargers with displays provide advanced features such as fast charging or wireless charging capabilities. These additions can significantly enhance the charging speed and convenience, especially for individuals who are constantly on the move and require a quick boost of power. However, it is important to consider the potential drawbacks of portable chargers with displays before making a final decision. These chargers often consume more power themselves due to the added display feature. This means that the charging capacity and overall efficiency of the charger may be slightly reduced compared to traditional power banks. Additionally, the display itself may also be prone to damage or malfunctions over time, which could affect its usability. Considering all factors, a portable charger with a display can be a valuable investment for individuals who heavily rely on their devices or frequently travel. The accurate battery level monitoring, multiple device charging capability, and charging time estimation are all features that enhance the charging experience. Additionally, the voltage and current output information provided by the display ensures that devices receive the appropriate amount of power without any risk of damage. However, for occasional users or those on a tight budget, a traditional portable charger without a display may be sufficient. Ultimately, the decision to invest in a portable charger with a display should be based on individual needs, preferences, and usage patterns. Furthermore, it is worth noting that portable chargers with displays also offer the advantage of a sleek and modern design. The addition of a display not only enhances functionality but also adds an aesthetic appeal to the device. This can be particularly appealing to individuals who appreciate stylish and innovative technology. Another factor